Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Philips Hue Bridge pairing with Philips Hue app. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. Ensure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Philips Hue Bridge. Tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Select Hue Bridges from the list of options. You should see your Philips Hue Bridge listed under Available Bridges. If your bridge is not listed, ensure it is powered on and connected to your router. Once you see the bridge, tap on its name. The app will prompt you to press the button on the Hue Bridge. Locate the physical Hue Bridge in your setup. Press the circular button on the top of the bridge. Wait a moment for the app to detect the bridge. You should receive a confirmation message indicating the pairing is successful. If pairing fails, check the connection of the Hue Bridge to your network. Ensure that your smartphone's Wi-Fi is enabled and connected. Repeat the process by returning to the settings and selecting the bridge again. When paired successfully, explore the features available in the app. Customize your lighting preferences or set up routines as desired. For any connection issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of the app. Congratulations, you have successfully verified the Philips Hue Bridge pairing with the Philips Hue app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.